everybody, and welcome to this video on depreciation. In this video, we're having a look at straight line depreciation. Depreciation is when the value of something decreases at a certain rate over time. So the formula that we use is basically the same. It's just that there's a minus instead of a plus in the formula. The amounts to let's have a look at the variables. So A is the depreciated value. So that is the value once it has lost certain amount over time. P is the original amount of the asset. I is the depreciation rate. That's the rate at which it's decreasing. And again, you should always state this as a decimal or fraction over 100. And N is the number of years. If you have a look at the diagram, we have the depreciation value on the y-axis and the number of years on the x-axis. So what happens is the value starts at the original amount of the asset, and over time it will decrease in a linear pattern until it is worth nothing. Let us have a look at some examples. So please pause the videos and try to attempt these questions before going through the solution together. So having a look at the first one over here, we have that we have to calculate the value of a car that costs 160,000 that depreciates at 12% after 5 years. So our principal amount, how much its original value is 160,000. Our interest rate is 12%, which will say 0.12, and the number of years is 5. Using our formula that A is equal to P1 minus I times N, we get that our value after 5 years is 160,000 minus 0.12 times 5. All you have to now do is type that into your calculator. So our depreciated value is equal to 64,000. So that's how much it would be worth after 5 years. Okay, let us have a look at the next question. So it says, calculate how long it would take a laptop that cost 10,000 to depreciate to 5,000 at the amount is not supposed to be there, at a rate of 8% per annum. So let us write what we've got. Our principal amount, how much it was worth, is 10,000. How much it would depreciate to is 5,000. And our interest rate is 8%, which we can write as 0.08. So we have A is equal to P1 minus I times N. So our A is 5,000. Our P is 10,000. 1 minus 0.08 times N. Dividing both sides by 10,000, we get 0.5 is 1 minus 0.08 times N. Subtracting 1 on both sides, we get minus 0.5 is minus 0.08 N. And then dividing both sides by negative 0.08, we get 6.25 years. Okay, so now having a look at the last one, it says calculate the depreciation rate if a machine that costs 12,000 is worth 4,000 after 3 years. So the depreciated amount is 4,000. The original amount is 12,000. Our number of years is 3, and we would like to calculate our interest rate. So again, A is equal to 1 minus I, A is equal to P times 1 minus I times N. So 12,000 is equal to 4,000. The other way around, sorry. Get so used to writing the bigger side on one side. 1 minus I times 3. So then dividing both sides by 12,000, we get that a third is equal to 1 minus 3i. Then we can subtract 1 on both sides. So we have minus 2/3 is equal to minus 3i. So then what we can do is divide both sides by minus 3. And then we get that our interest rate is 0,222, which we can write as 22,22%. Okay, I hope that you have understood this video. Please watch our other videos on depreciation and financial maths. Thank you. Bye.